Welcome to Wonderland Weekly, hosted by Toronto Ty. Now sit back and have a wonderful week.
Hello, everyone. Bartholomew the Elf back here at WinterFest once again for another wonderful week. I am looking forward to enjoying some shows tonight, as well as some food and some hot chocolate. My jaw is still in pain, and I'm still going by Bartholomew the Elf, I guess. Let me know if I should update my title card to reflect that. But before we leave International Street, there's something happening, and I gotta talk about it. As most of you should by now be aware, the park has added a second doorway on the north side of this front gate shop, currently known as the Mistletoe for WinterFest, which was mysterious in and of itself. So the park just decided to do that between Haunt and WinterFest. But now the park has added a large fenced-off area in front. Now, in some ways, this makes sense as to why they felt the need to add that second doorway, because they knew that they were going to be closing off this main entrance to the shop. But in another sense, why? Now, I know the popular feeling seems to be that the park is extending, or is planning to extend, this shop out, and so they are going to be building more building here in the main plaza. It's compelling. I think that does seem likely as to why the park started so early. I feel like maybe they are planning to extend more of this building, but they can't very well close the washrooms while WinterFest is going on. This shop, they can close off that one entrance and get started to build out the framing for an extension to this building. That's my guess. And honestly, because the park is also doing work outside by Leviathan's Turnaround, then I'm feeling better about, more confident about this. But we'll have to wait and see. I mean, it is interesting that the park seems to be doing some piecemeal things, and definitely doing what I have been wanting, been hoping for during this off-season, which is a lot of infrastructure improvements. So hopefully it is not exclusively the front gate area that gets improved, but also other areas. Namely Playhouse Theater, of course. I am here at the Holiday Dining Hall, which is normally known as Backlot Cafe, and I really wanted to get the turkey sandwich, but then thought my jaw probably wouldn't like such a large sandwich, so instead I went with the pulled turkey tacos, which are a little bit easier to manage. So yes, and it does come with nachos. I do really like these, but I'm not a huge fan of the sweet cranberry salsa. That's just my personal preference, though. Still, very, very good. Alright, I missed the beginning of Polar Party with the Tannenbaums, but definitely going to have to check it out in the coming weeks. This looks like, a ton of fun.
They're going to show you something amazing.
Over here at the shop across from Windseeker, the display here looks amazing. Absolutely love the giant Yeti there. Just everything in here looks really, really great. This shop is not currently open. I'm actually not sure if it's been open at all this year, but I don't know. I might want one of these little cute guys. Look at that. That's so cute. Hello, Peppermint Patty. How are you doing this evening? Amazing. Always great to see you. Oh, I'm doing quite well. Other than my jaw is a little bit of pain, but that's all right. Thank you so much. All right, see you. This is a pretty nerdy thing, but at Charlie Brown's Tree Lot, I am very, very happy to say that the park has... Hello again, Peppermint Patty. Aw. Always love seeing Peppermint Patty. But yes, over here at Charlie Brown's Tree Lot, they have added a light that points directly at the photo op. That is very much appreciated. It's something that I feel like it's overdue. And so I am glad that the park has added that at this point. I think that is, just a great decision. Oh, and there we have Santa Snoopy heading over to the Tree Lot. Fun times. up here in Charlie Brown's Christmas Town. The shop this year is known as Santa's Toy Shop, and it now has a couple signs, which is very, very good. But this also gives me an excuse to talk about the new interactive WinterFest Wonder Wands, which are, $39.99 plus tax, of course. And they are, they light up and blow bubbles, specifically when you are around certain areas or interact with certain objects that are scattered around the park. There's a little map that you can use to find out where those locations are. It's an interesting sort of thing that a lot of the Cedar Fair parks are doing this year. I don't think that I will be purchasing one, but I appreciate that they're trying to do something a little different. Well, I think that'll about do it for this week here at WinterFest. I did not interact with any of the Midway Merriment characters today, but I got to see some of the Peanuts gang, including in a Peanuts Guide to Christmas, so that was very, very good, and got to see a couple other shows that I have been meaning to watch this year and haven't yet. So that was very, very good. Very strange stuff happening up by the Mistletoe, that front gate shop. But I'll keep an eye on that because I'm very curious as to what's happening there. But regardless, I think that'll about do it for this week. So until next time, as always, have a good one.
If you like this video, you can now buy me a hot chocolate at buymeacoffee.com. I also love hearing your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment. Thanks so much for your continued support, and be sure to subscribe for more wonderful videos.